Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to prepare chicken stock at home. First, you'll need a good selection of chicken bones, like backs or necks, along with aromatic vegetables such as carrots, celery, and onions. Make sure you have a large stock pot, ideally 8 quarts or more, to accommodate all your ingredients. Always start with cold water. This helps to slowly draw out impurities and maximize the flavor extraction from the bones and vegetables as the stock heats up. For an even richer flavor, consider roasting your chicken bones in the oven before adding them to the pot. Once your bones and vegetables are in, cover them with cold water, ensuring there are about 2 to 3 inches of water above the solids. Bring the pot to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to maintain a very low bubble. Let it cook slowly for at least 4 hours or up to 8 hours for the best depth of flavor. After simmering, carefully strain your stock through a fine mesh sieve, ideally lined with cheesecloth, into a clean container. This step removes all the solids, leaving you with a clear, flavorful liquid. Make sure to discard all the spent bones and vegetables. It's crucial to cool the stock quickly to a safe temperature. You can do this by placing the container in an ice bath or dividing it into smaller portions to speed up the cooling process. Once your chicken stock is completely cool, you have a few storage options. It can be safely refrigerated in an airtight container for up to 4 days. For longer storage, freeze the stock in smaller, airtight containers or freezer bags. It will keep well for 3 to 6 months. This versatile homemade stock is perfect for enhancing the flavor of your favorite soups, creating delicious sauces, or enriching gravies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.